What's good, YouTube? Man, it's your boy Cameron back with another video. I hope y'all boys are ready for this video. Woo, shit. I hope y'all boys ready, bro. This shit is crazy. Me and my homies, bro, we are all driving, you feel me, together. It just feel good to do shit like this, man. I ain't gonna cap. My GoPro is only at 20%, so I don't know how much footage I'm gonna get, but I'm gonna get the most footage I can get, okay? Bear with me. I'm sorry I didn't charge my goddamn GoPro. I get it. I tried, all right? But I thought I charged it before I left. I thought I charged it, bro, but I guess I didn't. But anyway, we just gonna drive, man. We gonna have fun. Hope y'all boys ready for this shit. I'm trying to find the nearest highway. Fuck. Hey, bet. Where the highway at?
You said Kell Gardens.
You know the highway at by heart?
I mean, not from right here, no.
Hold on, we're trying to find the highway.
Oh my God.
You know where it's at?
Nigga, we should've
No,
went
we
to
should
downtown.
to the right when we're leaving out. On the highway, we should to the right, then a little.
Shit, go back. Hold on, I'm gonna put in a random address. Hey, man, I'm just trying to find a fucking highway, man. Damn, I want to get on the highway. Woo! I got that motherfucking Challenger RT behind me. We got an old school Mustang behind me. I don't know if it's 2002 Mustang. Is that considered old school? I really don't know. I'm not gonna lie to you. I really don't know, but I ain't okay. His shit loud, so fuck it. Put him in the video. Hey, if your car loud, you can be in the video. I don't care what you is. No cap, bro. No cap. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, there you go. There you go. I need the Mustang nigga to come on. I need the Mustang nigga to come on. That boy Trey is so slow. Woo, there you go. Mustang nigga, come on. Mustang nigga. Get in front of me, Trey. Come on, man. Let me hear that shit. Let me hear that shit. Woo! Woo! This shit loud. On my, his shit loud. On game. On game, his shit loud. On mom. Woo! Shit. Woo! Shit, what? I hope y'all can hear it. I know it's a lot of wind going on. Hey, this shit crazy, bro. Oh my God. This shit is so crazy. I can't believe we got these boys out here. We got these boys out here. Oh yeah. Everybody turn up. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Everybody turn up. Everybody turn up. Woo. Woo. Shit, yeah. Hell yeah, YouTube. Got them boys out. Yeah. Go ahead, hit that bit. You need to hit that bit. You boy bullshit. They bullshit. I'm trying to hit that bit. Ooh. Hey man, say man, that bitch loud. That bitch is a little loud. Like, it need to slow down. Look at his ass. His slow ass. I need to hear that bit, Trey. Hey, he need to hear that bit. Let me hear that bit, man. Let me hear that bit. Let me hear that bit. Let me hear that bit. Let me hear that bitch. Come on, man, bring your slow ass on. Hit the gas. Hit the gas, man. I want to hear that bitch. Go ahead, let me hear that bitch. Hey, that bitch so loud, bro. No cap, bro. Hey, that bitch loud, boy. Hey, I gotta hear that bitch. Hey, that bitch dumb loud. No, he needs to slow that bitch down. Hey, on my. Hey, bitch. We want me and you talk. Woo, shit. Woo, shit. That bitch running, YouTube. Hey, that bitch running, bro. Oh my God, that bitch running. That bitch running. This shit feel good as a bitch, boy. Woo, shit. Woo, that boy shit popping. Hey, YouTube, ain't gonna cap, bro. I really enjoy doing shit like this, especially when it's in your hometown. Like, you feel me? Like when it's your hometown, you feel me? Like, and then you doing it with your homies. Like, it's a different feeling, bro. No cap, that shit fun as a bitch. How much percent we got? Then we got 10% left on the GoPro. We just gonna try to make the best of it, bro. Cause no cap, this shit crazy. This shit is very crazy. All right, man, we need to turn back around. We need to get off the highway right quick. Ooh. We need to get off the highway. We need to get off the highway. We need to get off the highway right quick. We need to make a U-turn, bro. Where the fuck are we going? Hey, we need to get off the highway, bro. Where the fuck we going? Oh shit. He said police be around here, YouTube. Oh shit, his shit popping. He said his shit. Oh shit, that police behind me? Fuck. Oh shit, we were just talking about police and you wanna come behind me. No, that can't be police, right? That can't be police. Fuck wrong with these niggas, man? Alright, where you at? I waiting on Jay. Jay slow ass. It's a car accident where? Do a U-turn? Oh. So you'd rather go down some more? Oh, you want to do a U-turn? No, they not. They going straight. Nigga say he can't see you. Where you at? If you get in front of me, you man, I don't know where his ass. Oh, okay. Right now, I need you to hit the gas right now. Right now. There you go. Alright. Oh shit, okay, don't hit nobody. Don't hit nobody, man. Go ahead, show these boys what you got. Show these boys what you got. Woo. And that, my friend, is how you do that. I love that. You gonna keep pooting on these niggas though? Hey, y'all boys funny. Oh shit. Hey, y'all boys too funny. That's how you do that, man. That is how you do that, my friends. Hey, y'all boy, make sure y'all boy, huh? Yeah, I'm weak. Hey, on green light, I'm leaving you, boy. Put my, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. I can hear myself. I'm weak. Alright, YouTube, this is how we're gonna end the video, man. I'm gonna leave this challenger to my left, and we're gonna end the video like that. Y'all boy, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. We at 1%. I don't know, I don't even know if this bitch gonna get it. Fuck it. Oh, wait. Oh, fuck. No. Shit. No. On my mama, hold on. On my mama, I wasn't ready. I'm finna end the video. They ain't finna see the second one. Alright, YouTube, I see y'all boys later. I love y'all. It's about camera, we go. Hey, we got 1% left. No cap.